Hi, my name is Luis Mario Farochillen, an incoming fourth year BS Computer Science student from Bicol University. Before joining StraStan, I had experience with several programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, C++, C, Java, and Python, mostly through school projects. I focused more on back-end development since I enjoyed working on logic-driven tasks and solving complex problems. I'd rate my technical readiness at about 3 to 4 out of 10. While I was confident with my coding and problem solving skills, I knew that what I learned in school was just the basics. There was still a lot I needed to learn, things like system design, working with cloud technologies, collaborating in a team, and how software development happens in the real world. Coding alone isn't enough without understanding these other important parts. As the internship approached, I felt both excited and a little nervous, and I was eager to learn new things and improve my skills. But I wasn't sure if I could keep up with the pace. Still, I saw this as a great chance to grow professionally and personally. I expected Trustan to push me beyond my comfort zone, helping me face challenges and build practical skills. I look forward to gaining hands-on experience, improving both my technical and teamwork abilities, and getting a bigger understanding of how software development works in a professional setting. Throughout this internship journey, I've gained a wide range of technical skills. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate myself in core AWS services like Lambda, API Gateway, Cognito, DynamoDB, and CloudWatch. Since I used them consistently across back-end features and became confident in deploying them in real scenarios. I'd give myself a 7 in SQS and Event Bridge, which I use for triggering workflows like inventory reservation, and I like doing the Event Bridge to SQS to step functions pattern since it amazes me on how you can control the logic flow and handle feature failures using DLQs. For SNS, S3, and CloudFront, I'd rate myself a 4 as I only explore them lightly or in theory. On the development side, I'd rate myself an 8 in TypeScript and Node.js because I've written modular and secure Lambda functions using these tools. For the Next.js until with CSS, I'd give myself a 4. I'm just starting to learn them and haven't implemented much yet. The skill I enjoyed learning the most was designing serverless backend systems using Lambda, Cognito, and API Gateway, and combining them with the event bridge and step functions to build structured, event-driven workflows. The most challenging part was the beginning, since I had no experience working with the AWS services, but with consistent guidance and practice, I gained confidence and clarity. In my future career, I plan to keep using these skills, especially TypeScript and Lambda, and other security best practices and continue growing my cloud and architecture knowledge. This experience helped prepare me for the real world by teaching me how to build scalable systems, write production-ready code, and debug using cloud-native tools. Completing this 240-hour fast-track internship program at StraStan definitely increased my chances of getting hired. I now have real-world experience to talk about and skills that matches industry demands. After this internship, I feel confident, 7 out of 10, confident in facing an AWS Cloud Developer interview. I've done real work, but I still have room to grow. This internship turned my theoretical knowledge of serverless architecture into something practical and applicable. I want to sincerely thank StraStan for giving me this rare and meaningful opportunity. This internship wasn't just about learning AWS or writing back-end code. It was an experience that changed how I see software development and what it means to work in a real team. I'm deeply grateful to Sir Mark for opening this door for me. Without his vision and willingness to take in students like me, I wouldn't have grown this much in a short period of time. A big thank you as well to Sir Jobert. Your guidance, patience, and support throughout this internship made a huge difference. You never made me feel afraid to ask questions, and you explained the things in a way that helped me understand not just the how, but also the why. Your mentorship inspired me to stay curious and never stop learning. To the other mentors who took the time to review my code, answer questions, and share their knowledge, thank you for treating us like a future professionals. You helped me see what good development practices really look like. And to all my fellow interns, I'm grateful for the teamwork, the fun moments, and how we all push each other to do better. Thank you, StraStan, for investing students like me. This experience gave me clarity, direction, motivation to continue growing as a developer. I'll carry this learning with me as I move forward in my career. Thank you.